trucks are in cars.
You all set for that, Brayden?
Dad, we should go there.
You got a mouthful of food?
Dad, we should go there. Just look. We should go in there. Look at all the hills and stuff.
I know, there's a lot of cool ones there. So we got our setup.
Wait, you filming?
Yeah.
I didn't know you
So we
brought
got the Stampede.
You brought the
I got the Slash.
That's hers.
We got the
Jumping over hills and hopefully not crashing them.
Yeah, really.
Because, you know, I got a story to tell. So,
I didn't
Daddy
know.
over here, there's a metal pole over there. He was driving 40 miles per hour.
He's a fibber.
No.
Fibber.
He was driving 40 miles per hour in his truck or his car, which he did not bring, slammed right into it and broke 4 different things on the arm. It's a funny story.
You're supposed to say how awesome Daddy is with his car. You're not supposed to tell people how terrible he is with his car.
Well, you know, you got to do a little bit of both.
So, if you look at Christian's car, looks nice and shiny and new, doesn't it? So what do we think the reason is for that?
He broke it.
Yeah, maybe he crashed his a couple times, so we had to make it cool again. Right, Brayden?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you see what happens?
Yeah, it looks pink when you bring it out, but I didn't get to see it. Can I see it?
It's out here. It's pink. It's bright pink.
I
All
didn't
right,
know
hurry
you
up with
brought
your food so we can go ride the car.
I didn't know you
They're
brought
not
the
in there, Bob.
camera. Oh.
They're
Here we go. All right, so we're at this skateboard park, which has a really cool BMX track, so you can race around. So we're gonna take the cars out here and see what it's like. You guys about ready?
Let's go!
All right. Please try not to hit the camera.
Try not to hit it. Just try not to hit the camera.
Here we go. Here we go.
I just remembered. Dad, I need to pull up my wheelie bar. I just remembered. What's up?
Nothing.
What are you sitting for?
I'm just taking a break from driving my car because I'm hot.
Is it really hot out?
Yeah.
Super steamy? All right, the car's resting. Ashlyn's resting. Let's go see what Brayden and Christian are doing. All right, see if we can do some mad jumps.
Okay.
Is that your mad jumping?
No.
Are you hot? You look hot. Are you hot?
Both
100
ways.
degrees out here. Really? Wait a minute, Brayden. There you go. Nice. There it goes. Holy moly, you shot Dirks all over me. Dirks. That was dirt and rocks together. Dirks. Just so everybody knows.
That's the new word of the day. Dirks. Dirks. It's when you get shot in the leg by dirks and dirt and rocks.
You don't want to ride him anymore?
What?
The car.
I will in a minute. I just want to take a break on my tablet.
Okay. Do me a favor. You put your car in the car?
It's in the shade resting.
Okay. Oh, it's resting?
Yeah.
Needed a breather? Yeah. Okay, good.
Just like me.
Alright.
Word of the day, dirks. When you get hit in the leg by dirt and rocks. Dirks. Come on, Oxford.
How about question of the day?
No, it's word of the day. You made up the word. I forgot. Dad, I'm gonna get sick air on this one.
Question of the day. Have you ever drove an RC car?
Watch out.
Crash and burn. Look at that thing fly. Whoa, that was cool, but I missed it. Nice. What you gonna go over the cliff? You're gonna have a catastrophe? Nice, I got both of you together. That was cool.
Didn't mind fall.
All right, Christian, see how good you are. Oh, we had a crash. We had a crash. Oh, and then Brayden crashes.
Don't crash.
Double crash. Stuck. Let it out. All right, cool. Boom. All right, Christian, come right at the camera. Don't hit me. Oh! That was sweet. Man, Brayden's awesome at burning out. Here, come over here and do donuts. In the grass. Do donuts. No? Alright.
You donut?
I'll see if Brayden would.
Yeah, his was more.
Whoa! In the weeds. Let's go save it. Alright, watch out, bub. Christian's gonna come flying. Keep your car there. Alright, bud.